Hello, wonderful people. Welcome back to my quick guide to how to mod on Twitch. Drink and Run here, and I've modded on Twitch for over 5 years now. I'm making this series to make your life as a new mod or small streamer easier. In this video, I'm going to cover how to time someone out. If this video helps you out and you'd like to see more, please press all the good buttons down below. Also, feel free to leave a comment letting me know which topic you'd like to see me cover in a later video. Please note that I'll be showing this from my browser. I don't really use the mobile app, so apologies if that's what you're looking for. If that's something you'd like to see later, let me know in the comments. So, someone's acting up in chat. It isn't bad enough that you want to permanently ban them, but you need to do something, and maybe a little forced away time from chat would be a good idea. So you want to time them out. How do you do that? You can left click on their name to bring up the account info panel, and then click the timeout button. If you have the Better Twitch TV extension installed on your browser, to the right you will also have options to time them out for 1 second, 10 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, and 24 hours. If you have the BTTV extension installed, you can right-click on their name. Note this will work both in and out of mod view. From here you have several options. Down at the bottom of the scale you have the purge option, which will time them out for 1 second. This is effectively just deleting all of their past messages. As you move up the scale, the timeouts go longer, starting at 1 minute and capping out at 13 days before getting to outright banning them. You can also time someone out using the mod icons. The middle one is the timeout button, and we'll use the standard 10 minutes of length for the timeout. As always, be careful using these buttons because if Twitch is moving fast, the message could move, and you could accidentally time out the wrong person. I go over how to show these icons and how to pause chat so you don't have to worry about timing out the wrong person in my previous videos. Another way to time someone out is in the chat window. Type in the command /timeout, followed by their username, which is usually faster if you just tag them, followed by the duration, listed in seconds. If you don't put in a duration, it'll default to 600 seconds, which is 10 minutes, the same length as the first option covered in this video. You can also time someone out from mod view. To get to mod view, click on the sword icon under the chat window. Once there, click on the person's name to bring up the account info panel, where you'll find buttons to time them out for 10 seconds, 1 minute, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or you can enter a custom length in seconds. And finally, from that same panel, or from the user info panel when you aren't in mod view, you can pop out their chat into a separate window, and there is a timeout button there, which will time them out for the usual 10 minutes. So there you have it, 6 different ways to time someone out from Twitch chat. I hope this guide helped you out. There's a lot that goes into modding on Twitch. If you have something you'd like to see covered in a future quick guide to Twitch modding, let me know in the comments. Also, I don't just mod on Twitch, I've started streaming too. There's a link to my channel in the description. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 8:30 p.m. Pacific time. We have a fun community there, and I'd love for you to join us. I like interacting with my chat a lot, so you're welcome to ask me questions about modding there too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.